Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. This is yet another meal prep video and here is what to expect. I'm making red lentil soup, chicken shorba, spaghetti and minced beef. It was a hot week with temperatures reaching up to 45 degrees, so I decided to prepare quick meals to have within the next few days. I'm starting very late, so I'll jump right in. I start with the ades. I add all the ingredients into a pot topped with water. This video is simply for motivational purposes, so I'll not go through the detailed steps. However, if interested in any of these recipes, please find the links in the description below. I kept things very simple this time because the weather was already heating up and I didn't want to stay in the kitchen for too long. Once this boils, I move it to the back and start on the shorba. For the shorba, I also add all ingredients into a large pot topped with water and let it boil on high, mix to combine, then cook on medium for the rest of the time. Once the lentils are ready, I blend the soup, adjust salt to taste, allow time for it to blend in and move on to the spaghetti and minced beef. To my returning subscribers, thanks for your continued support. For those of you who enjoy my content but are yet to subscribe, consider subscribing for more of my easy recipes. Feel free to use your choice of pasta, and if you use spaghetti, you can cook it whole if preferred. I combine the minced beef and pasta. The aroma in the kitchen is so good at this point. As these cool down, I wash the pots. By the time I finished cleaning up, the ades and shorba had cooled down, so I put them in the fridge. I left the spaghetti out with a note for the kids to put it in the fridge once they woke up. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. For those interested in these recipes, check out the videos linked in the description. This is all I have for you today. Thanks for watching and bye for now.